Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your NOKIA C12 louder. So in the first step we have to open the Play Store, then tap on the search bar and look for the volume booster app. Choose one of them and install, of course. I'm always using the Goodiv app, so now we can launch it. Click no thank you 3 times or yes agreed, just decide by yourself and close the window. Now tap on the OK. And the tool is active. You can increase and decrease the booster by this little slider. You can see the 60% is max, so just add it your needs. You can now tap on the home screen or on any app, and the tool is still active at the background. So if you want to disable it, you have to open this app from the home screen or the just background apps and just stop service. Now click OK, and that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.